What if a stethoscope was free? How would that change the world? The Glia Stethoscope was modeled off of the 1963 Littmann design. It performs as well as the Cardiology III at 1/10 the cost. The reduced price is due to the use of 3D printing technology. Using PETG plastic is inexpensive and produces a device that is light, durable, and comes in a rainbow of colors. This stethoscope is safe to use in clinical practice as it's manufactured in a facility that holds a medical device establishment license from Health Canada. Because the design files are free and open source, like all Glia products, the Glia Stethoscope is available for anyone to make from any 3D printer anywhere. Now, how might that change the world?